What up, y'all? About to put these interior lights here in the Civic today. Should be 4 LED strips in here, so let's see what's in this. Look like 4 LED strips. The control unit, got a remote right here, a couple zip ties. This right here just plugs up straight to the cigarette light. I might plug it to the cigarette light just for now, but future, I might like just splice the wire just wide up straight to my radio or something. I don't think I like that. I don't think I'm gonna like having it poking out through my cigarette lighter. We'll test it out, see what it look like. All right, y'all, came up with a little plan. I'm gonna leave a cigarette lighter on it. I'm gonna use my my port that I had here inside of my little center console. I usually have like my charger sitting here for my phone or whatnot. I think I'm gonna sit this here. Probably sometime either today or tomorrow, sometime in the future, I'm gonna go get one of those splitters where you can hook up 2 different charging units to it. And I think what I'm gonna do is just run my wire here on the side. Hook my box up here. I think I'm just gonna mount my box to the side right here. That way I still can get to it. Turn off and on right here, change the mode whenever I don't want to use the remote or nothing like that. I'm gonna mount it right there. Go ahead, do this real quick. Mount the box and everything. If this is plugged in, have it about right. I'm gonna give it a little leeway. I think I'm gonna stick it about right there. Just in case we need to move it a little bit. Right there, y'all. Looks good. Now all I gotta do now is just start wiring up these wires right here. We're not wiring them up, but just run them through the car pretty much. All right, now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it to the front first. This is where the splitter's at. I'm gonna run this to the front, then I'm gonna split it to each side. One light's gonna be for the front, then I'm gonna run the wire all the way back to the back. So pretty much all we gotta do now is just do a wire tuck pretty much. Hopefully y'all can see pretty good. I'm not gonna do it, nothing too serious, not nothing too elaborate. I'm leaving a little bit of space. I know I'm gonna have to run another wire through this side here. That's why I'm not tucking it all the way in, not right yet. Now I'm gonna run this one all the way over here to this side. And I'm just going to run back there and pull it that way on the other side there. Trying to see if I can feel this side, yeah. There it is. Got this side right here good to go. This is how I go. I guess I can go ahead and start on this side over here. One light is gonna go here. I'm gonna put it back on the here somewhere. How far back do I want it? Trying to think of a good spot. I might just put it right here. You better see it really good, but I do want to sit it kind of further back though, where you can't see it. Then I'm gonna have the other light. It's gonna be running to the back seat. It's gonna be running here, so this way to the back. Set it kind of further back in there, and We can go ahead and start tucking our other wire. I'm not gonna do anything with this one yet. Oh, I guess I could just tuck it back here for right now. I will finish it up here in a minute. Just get it out of the way for right now. But listen here, I just want to stretch it out and get it kind of tucked away a little bit. Got all kinds of stuff going on, y'all. Close this up. Stretch that back to the back seat. Yeah. Slide her all the way up. And I'm pretty sure everything on here is like might just put it on this rail right here. Just have it shining this way. That may be what I do, y'all. If I just run it underneath right here. Pretty sure the seat still will be able to move. Just gonna put it on this rail right here. All right. I'm gonna use some of these tires that I got up here that it came in. So we ain't got a lot of excess wire just laying around. That's a little bit for right now. I'll do the rest of it here later. You won't be able to see down in there. All right, we got this one side done right here. We're gonna hop on the other side. But as of now, y'all, the lights are ran. Y'all in here, I don't know how good y'all will be able to see them. Sure now, let's test them out. See if we can see anything. I got my switch right here. I don't know whether I want to turn them on now. I see them lighting up down there. I can see them lighting up here. I can't really see them. Oh, I can see them shine a little bit down there, yeah. Just as daylight out here, y'all. Can't really see them too good. I gotta finish tucking this wire here, but other than that, y'all, it's pretty much it right there. Got different settings and stuff on it. Change the mode on it. Solid color. I'll probably just have it on a solid red color. Gonna be it, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Catch y'all on the next one. Go home.